Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial explains how to create a Facebook account. So if you want to create a Facebook account, you head to Google Play Store or iOS Store. You download the Facebook app if you're using the app version instead of the web version. So now once you download the mobile app, you now click on create new account. So now once you click on create new account, you see an option get started. I already have an account. So since we're creating a new account, we'll go with the first option, get started. So now you now provide your first name, then your last name. You now click on next. So now at this point, you now select your date of birth. So now once you select your date of birth, you now proceed and you click on set. Then you now click on next. At this point, you now select whether you are a male or a female. So I'll go with the option male, then I'll click on next. So now, if you want to sign up with your phone number or your Gmail, at this point in time, I'll be signing up with my Gmail. I'll not be using phone number, so I'll click on sign up with Gmail. Then you now click on the mail address, or you now input the mail address you wish to sign up with. So now once you input the mail address, you now click on next. Then you now set your password. So now let's create a password. So now once you create your password, you click on next. Then you now click on save to save the password. You now read all their terms and conditions. You click on I agree. So if you wish to input your profile picture at this point, you click on add. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will skip the option for now. Then you are welcome to Facebook. So if you want to access your contact, you click on turn on, but no, I will not be accessing contact. I will skip that option. So this is the easiest way to create Facebook account. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this video is helpful to you. Thank you.